9F 92165 is making good speed with a heavy train of loaded oil tanks, very probably from the Avonmouth refinery near Bristol. Reason for the train's brisk pace? It's managed to bag no less than 4 bankers. The combined tractive effort of these is well over twice that of the 9F at the front. The next train up is another very substantial freight, and the 8F at the front is clearly struggling. Only one banker here, the previous train having scooped the pool. The usual allocation of bankers at Bromsgrove at this period was 1 heavyweight 9F and some half a dozen tankers. Sensible rationing of these resources was called for, the duty foreman not only noting each train's weight, train engine, urgency and so on, but also liaising with control, at least in theory, as to what was coming next, and next after that. These 4 are badly needed back at base.